Welcome to the Canva classroom, everybody. Had a recent question on the new video editor suite, wanting to know if the video editor has a watermark, and two, when you add a text to a clip, will it be there for the whole clip? I want to address this today. Here's a whole clip. When I apply a text, and here's the text box, it is there for the duration of the clip. However, you can split the clip by right-clicking and splitting. And then when you go to this one, you can change your text to say something else. Please subscribe. So now I'm going to split it again, like the tutorial. You see where I'm going with this? Oh, I need to split it one more time, like the tutorial. I'm trying to get it at 20. Leave a comment. I'm gonna split it and see if I can get it to go to 25. Split it one more time, and now I can go to this one and go, thanks. I can even move the text box if I want. So now what would this clip look like? Let's play it. So the Canva classroom, and then it goes away. Please subscribe. I had put a text effect on it, and so this is what that would look like. But just split your clip, and you can change your text boxes or even remove a text box and add an element. Let's go to graphics. Let's see, what about this one? This is also how you could create a subscribe notification if you would like for your channel. You could have no effect on your text or just block it. You can do whatever you want. Now, the second question was about watermarks. Here's the deal. You will not have a watermark as long as what you're using is a free element if you are using a free account. I actually logged into my pro account today, so I cannot show you that, but this is an example. Actually, let's go back, and I think I typed in yoga and video, and you see how this one has the pro logo on it. If I use that video in my free account, it would ask for payment, or I could download it with a watermark. But as long as you are uploading your own videos in the upload tab, upload media, then you will not have a watermark when you download, as long as it's one of the free images. Let me filter it down to, so see, this one is free. All of these are free. So if I went to download these in my free account, then there would be no watermark. I hope that makes sense. And split the clip. You can split the clip. That is really hard to say. You can split the clip. I cannot say it. I can't say it. I'm sorry, guys. I will see everyone back on Monday. In the meantime, I recommend that you watch this tutorial right now. Go ahead. You know you want to watch it. It's awesome, especially if you didn't see the first one on the video editor where I talk about the transitions. So make sure you watch it right now. That's all I have for you today. If you like this tutorial and want to see more like it, then I recommend watching one of these 2 lessons, and I'll see you next time. Oh, if you have questions, be sure to leave them in the comments. And sometimes I might address them just like this one. All right, see you next time. Bye.